I just bought myself a pneumatic pop riveter today. Black Ridge. I don't know who Black Ridge are, but anyway, but it comes with an amazing amount of spares. So it's got like new seals and gaskets and so on. There's the device itself. Looks pretty good. I have used it once to put the air fitting into it. Handful of rivets of different sizes, different ends for the gun that goes here to accept the different rivets. Also got a set up in here. It's exactly the same things. There they are there. So they chucked that one in as well. Little oil bottle. Plunger must be for the inside of it. And all bits, springs and so on. So I don't know if that means that it wears out quick or they just want you to have a lot of good spare parts with it. But it's pretty good. Did the job today really well. No, by no means a really expensive unit, but I think for what I'm going to do with it, it'll be really good. There you go. I've also got this old toolbox just been given to me, and I'm going to go through and clean it all up, straighten it all the bits and pieces up in it. I'll do a video on it of doing it, and I've got quite a lot of tools that don't have a home, so I'm going to set this all up. I'll have all my open-enders back in here, and we've got a ton of sockets that don't have a home. We'll get all them back into here, but give it a good clean up, and I don't think I'll paint it. I think I'll just leave it the way it is. The door's pretty bent. You probably can't see the door there, it's bent, but the door's pretty bent. But she's an old relic from the past, and so you've got a key in it. It's the old style. Old mechanics might remember you hook this door back with this hook in here, which is there, and that holds this door back. Then this door has the lock on it with the, and as I said, this one's got a key even in it. So we'll do a bit of a video on getting that happening. It's always good to test your drillings before you put anything through and so on. So this is going to be the hose that takes the master cylinder fluid down to the brake cylinders in the car. It has to pass through the firewall, so I've drilled a 22mm hole in this piece of scrap, and then test fitted the grommet with the hose on it. So that's a desired result. Better to do it here than drill too large a hole in the firewall. So that's two holes. I'm about to drill the third one now. It's partway through the firewall there. I've just put the first hose through. Going to connect it up in a minute, and then just bring the other hoses through, and that'll be the link up to the cylinders. Okay, this just arrived. I ordered it. This is these are more wheel nuts for the car. I didn't realise when I bought the first lot that you actually get 4 lock nuts, which are these 4, and they fit this particular socket, but they don't fit any others. So these are the ones I'll use in the car, which is a conventional sockets that we'll all have. These would be for a road car to have lock nuts. But as I said, will not be running lock nuts on the rally car. So I needed to buy another box to replace the ones that I didn't have. But I also want to have spares as well. So there it is. And there's my first packet, so they can go into there, and I might try and sell them to someone else if they want to buy them. Headed down to my local brake shop and said I need a complete set of braided hoses for the brakes on my rally car, BMW E36, with an internal pedal box and a hydraulic handbrake, and this is what they came up with. Well, I didn't really do that. I took lengths, measured it all up, ordered it all, and here it all is. All the hydraulic hoses needed to run the balance pedal bar, pedal box, hydraulic handbrake and the clutch, and associated bits and pieces to bolt it together. So it looks like I've nearly got it ready that I can actually physically drive it once I fit all of this.